another interesting video, unboxing video. I ordered one pair of shoes from Myntra. So let's open it. HRX Russian. Sizzling guide. Wow. It's a 9 size in UK, 10 in US. This is pretty cool and awesome. Wow. So soft and awesome. I hope this will be perfect for my. It's a 9 size and this is so premium quality shoes. You can feel it. HRX. Wow, this is so cool. Okay friends, thank you. Subscribe for more awesome videos.